Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. So I've been on a tag frenzy today and I figured, you know what, let's go ahead and make some Halloween tags while we're here. I just finished working on the pretty neutral earthy tags, and now I was like, well, since I have these tags out here, let me just go ahead and finish creating another embellishment for Halloween. I think this is number 4, and for the embellishment I just decided to create tags, make them in little clusters with decorations, and yeah, that's basically it. At the end of the video, I'm gonna end up showing you all of the tags, Halloween tags that I created. They're not all the same or exactly the same, but they all have the same concept. And I hope that you guys like it. I'm gonna be switching on to a little bit of music, so if you don't feel like watching the process, then by all means skip to the end, where, like I said, it's just gonna show you one by one. But we'll see you guys in a bit. So this is the final look of the Halloween tags that I created. I went ahead off camera and finished the rest of them, and I'm gonna like show them to you so you guys could see that they are cousins. So they all kind of look the same, but are not twins. You guys know what I mean. Okay, so the first one I'm going to show you is the one that we just did on camera, which is this one right here. I kind of am trying not to lay them because the Nouveau drops are not yet dry. I ended up using this one that is called Ribboned Pumpkin. It's a bright, honestly, it's like a perfect pumpkin color. So that's what I ended up using. These again are 3.5 by 7, and you guys saw that this was a 12 by 12 page that I just honestly cut out, and I knew that I wanted to make tags with it, and voila, here they are. So this is the first one that you guys saw on video. Here's a second one. For these, I ended up adding some tulle in the back, and I know that it's not as noticeable, but it is peek through, or you could see it like peeking through the back. That's kind of like how I wanted it. So here's one. I did all of them orange. I did do a green tulle for only one tag, and I showed you guys these because I bought them. I think I showed them to you guys in the Halloween haul video. So I picked these up from Hobby Lobby as well. So all of them, well, 5 of them have the orange one, and then only one of them has the green one. But just love the way these came out. Again, really simple, you guys. Background, journaling card that was actually a 12 by 12 page, and then just little laying ephemera that I already had. Here's this one right here, and like I said, I'm gonna let them dry overnight. Oh, I don't know if I said it, but I'm gonna let them dry overnight because the Nouveau drops have to get hard. So I'm just gonna sit them here and like walk away. This is another one right here. I wish I had some flowers. See, this one's got flowers on the back and on the bottom, and I wish that I had more of them, but I was working with what I had, and those are the only ones. I think I got three out of them that have flowers in the back, and the rest don't, but that's honestly, it's okay. I wish I did have them for especially this ones right here, but it's okay, they're still gorgeous. And this was the final one. Just added a little bit of orange ribbon, and then a little black and white bow that's twine, and those are my Christmas tags, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Got encouraged to create something with journaling cards like my tags. And thank you for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.